I heard the girls were looking for stronger, shinier, softer, bouncier hair at an affordable price point. Here's my hair before. Even just after one use, I was able to repair a lot of my heat damage that I get from styling my hair so much. So starting off in the shower, I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my head. After rinsing out my shampoo, I'm going to go in with the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Bonding Conditioning Mask. This is a highly concentrated bonding conditioning mask, and this is what's going to be the first step into repairing my strands. After applying this all throughout my hair, I went in and brushed my hair because I like to do this after conditioning normally. I then let it sit in my hair for 5 to 10 minutes before I rinsed it out. After rinsing, we're going to go in with the real star of the show, and this is the Bonding Hair Gloss by Palmer's in the same line. This is going to really seal in your hair strands, and this also will help prevent further damage from heat. And even Miss Kim Kardashian West does a hair gloss every 2 weeks, so you should too. I then rinsed it out, of course. Then, after stepping out the shower, I went in with the leave-in treatment because I really wanted to do the ultra repair. This stuff was really lightweight and it did not weigh my hair down at all. I raked it throughout my head, as you can see. And after making sure it was fully saturated, I went ahead and brushed my hair. Okay, now it's time to blow dry. Palmer's thankfully has a finisher for my hair. This bonding healing oil from Palmer's will help heat protect your hair for up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It also increases the shine and the softness throughout your hair. Here I am distributing it throughout my blowout. I focus the most on my ends because that's where I get the driest. Guys, look how stunning and shiny my hair looks. I'm obsessed with the affordability of this line and being able to use heat on my hair and not have to break the bank trying to save it. Here's my finished look. I'm absolutely obsessed, Palmer's. Let me know if you guys try out this line by Palmer's and what y'all think. And cue the slow-mo.